Is this arcade basketball goal any good? Stick around to the very end for the overall rating. If you would, hit the like button, smash like, subscribe. You know the routine. This is Michel Reviews. Let's get it. Pretty easy. Get going. Turn this little guy on. Took me about 25 minutes to put together. Granted, I had a kiddo helping me that actually probably slowed me down. The whole thing for setup was really easy. Just a bunch of pieces like this. Again, you have to use a little force, but I didn't have to use any tools. I like that I can move it around like this. It is just pipe with 4 balls, 2 of which we've already lost, and a pump. This one actually was semi-deflated, and a soccer ball. So you can set the soccer ball net up. Doesn't really have any interaction other than you kick it. So not a huge fan of that feature. I don't even have the net up. I do like how easy this is though, and I like that they're small enough. So again, you just get it going. It kind of triggers it when they go in, but it doesn't really have any competition mode. So it just kind of makes a bunch of noise. I don't really see the value in it. I picked this one up for, I think, $49. So price is decent. Obviously it'll fluctuate. Pick this one up on Amazon. There will be an Amazon affiliate link below. Getting it around, getting it through a door when it's this big is a challenge. You do need to disconnect this. I can't quite get it, as you see. So you just grab these, pop them off like that. Let's see if I can get it in like so. There we go. Overall, I'd say for price, I'd give it an 8 out of 10. Durability, probably like more of a 5, but I knew that when I picked it up. And then just overall fun, I will give it a 10 out of 10 for just fun. Having it in the living room, being able to shoot hoops is great. It's very functional, it's very practical, comes with everything you need. So it does land a 10 out of 10 on one of the 3 topics there. So overall, if you like it, this is something you're looking for, could be a good little pickup. Thanks. If you guys wouldn't mind liking, subscribing. We're trying to do a bit more lately as we go forward. And oh, one final note. I like the netting, that it kind of catches the balls as they come in. So yeah, that's that. Overall, pretty fun. And I like the feeling that I get to be like Shaq. Like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Michel's Reviews out.